Cool. Um, let's. Okay, the idea is very simple. I found this API for recipes, and it like obviously kind of gives you. Um, huh. So basically, if I do a GET request here, then I'll get this kind of response. And I have kind of, because I wanted something to um, an app to make, an idea to do. So I thought I'll just do this, and yeah. So I got went through a few of these, and then I got kind of bored. So I thought I'll let GP to do all the work. So I pasted my ideas in the query, and this is the app idea that I found, or the screens, the details of what it is going to be like, and all those things. So this is the plan. So I'll have a splash screen, I'll have an onboarding screen, then like the home screen. Not like it's not, I'll not follow it very strictly, but I mean it's good enough to have to start a project. So yeah, so home screen, then there is search bar, details, favorite recipe screens, and I think I'm not sure about the meal planning part, if I'm going to do this or not. Grocery list also I'm not. We'll see, and then like profile I'll probably do. And this is these are the 789 screens that I'm going to develop, and my like I will put it up on GitHub. Where's my profile? Mm, I'm getting creative. Eat well, live well. That would be the name of the app, and I pasted all of the information here also. And just like a um, is yeah, I just created a new project in like new project, and empty activity. That's it. That's all I've done so far. In the app, and this is what you get. This is how like a new project looks like. Here I was trying something, so just forget about this. Ah, nice. So this is what I've done so far, and I'll develop from here. That is the plan. So yeah, let me figure more things out, and then I'll start.